2013 Mini Cooper. We're doing the front and rear brake pads. Step one, pop the cap off of your brake fluid reservoir. We had overfilled it at some point, so that's why I have all these paper towels. As I compress these caliper pistons, it's going to shoot more brake fluid out. Tools needed, hydraulic jack obviously, 17mm deep well socket, caliper compression tool, 15mm wrench, and flathead screwdriver. For the rear brakes for piston, you not only have to compress it, but it has to spin at the same time, clockwise. So these tools are a lifesaver. I think it was $50 for the whole kit. Got it from Harbor Freight. On these Mini Coopers, every corner of the car has these nice little plastic or rubber jack points. You're gonna want to use that. Oops. Well, I thought I was recording. Super frustrating, but anyways, so you get the wheel off. It's just 2 bolts. Right here, 13mm to break it loose. You're gonna want to take your 15mm wrench, put it right here, hold it from spinning, because it's gonna spin on you. So you got the caliper off. It's okay to set it up here, just don't kink the brake line. We're gonna pop these out. On the driver's side front, there's a brake pad sensor. Disconnect it from the rear brake pad, and so you can slide it out through here and just set it to the side. Your brake pads. Slide in there. I always get a million comments on every video I do about how I don't grease the slide pins, etc., etc. Usually I do, off camera. In this case, we're not going to. This car only has 45,000 miles. I can literally hear the grease inside of them. Everything's good, no uneven wear. So we're gonna continue. I'm gonna take one of the old brake pads, put it in front of the caliper piston. Now this one was like $35 at O'Reilly's. Maybe it was Harbor Freight. Pretty cheap. It might have been cheaper than that, honestly. You can throw your tire back on. Same idea with this one. You can take a 13, break this bolt loose, use the 15 to hold this center nut in place. Alright, got that little wire in there. Now you just put it back together the way you took it apart.